Boys are pretty excited about eating their melon. Looks like Beau has a cantaloupe. Let's see if we can get a better picture. And Dorian has honeydew melon. Let's go inside and check it out. Hi, Beau! Dorian, how's your honeydew? Oh boy, look at that melon. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can move this a little bit so you can get an update and see watch them eat. They're so cute when they eat. He licks it about 10 times before he takes a bite. Oh, I love these boys. These are such sweet boys. But look at this big fat boy. Dorian, such a good boy. Dorian, do you need another piece? Are you almost done with your honeydew, honey? He washes his hands and face before he takes another piece. I think he's going to do that again. Let's see. Beauregard, this is his third piece, and he's just like eating as much as he possibly can in case there's a famine tomorrow. Dorian's a very slow eater. Okay, Dorian's looking for more. Let's see what Dorian does. Come on, Dodo Bird. Let's get... Oh, he's going to wash his hands and face first. Dorian, do you want some more? No, don't take Beau's. That's rude. Oh. You're going to take that? Oh, Beau wants a fresh piece. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you going to get some more? Some fresh, Dorian? Dorian, you're so handsome. See you guys. It's coming out. Bye, boys.